11 Before and After Dining Room Makeovers. Ashley Mays, founder of lifestyle blog Bigger Than the Three of Us, liked, but didn't love, the original dining room in her 3,800 square foot fixer-upper. And having done a cursory redo after moving in, it was finally time to complete the look. Ashley swapped out carpet for hardwood to create a better sense of flow from the kitchen to the dining room. She also maximized the use of color and texture in the space with shibori wallpaper from Milton & King. Our favorite part has to be those built-ins though, which Ashley thankfully maintained throughout her various DIY endeavors. Shaheen Khan runs the blog Lows to Luxe, where, among many other impressive DIY makeovers, she shared the transformation she undertook with this ultra-traditional dining room. Shaheen's newly spruced-up dining room is totally luxurious, with dark textured grasscloth wallpaper from York wall covering and a covet-worthy dining room set. Other touches throughout the room included painting the interior doors and bringing in decor from Craigslist, CB2, H&M, and other affordable retailers. Walk into the before dining room of Kim Wilson, founder of the blog Sand and Sisal, and you'd be hard-pressed to find any of the inviting coastal inspiration that's behind the other rooms in her home. Kim brought her signature by the shore look to this DIY dining room makeover, complete with clean white walls, a coat of paint to her dining room set, and refinished weathered oak floors. She describes the new color palette as providing an illuminating effect, like turning on a light switch, and we're keen to agree. Colleen Pastor of Lemon Thistle had one goal with her dining room, to bring in some personality. Check out what she achieved with one weekend and some well-curated decor. Here's some proof that it doesn't take much for a complete dining room makeover. Colleen worked with what she had, including her modern dining room set and light fixture, and simply added to the overall look with a few smart additions, including some height-boosting window treatments. Christine Franklin of the Flip House didn't have much differentiating her dining room space from the rest of her open-planned main living area. This room is now all its own, and a lot less busy, too. Working with her existing flooring, Christine managed to update pretty much every other inch of the space, with smart choices like adding in a modern farmhouse dining room set and taking away those garish window blinds. When she moved into her home, Erin Spain of the Erin Spain blog found the dining room to be usable, though lacking in much charm. Erin brought some slate to this room with Benjamin Moore paint in Nocturnal Gray, and then furthered her mission for a more modern space with thoughtful art pieces and accessories. Like those map prints in the back. To make them, Erin bought some IKEA frames and filled them with map printouts downloaded from the Library of Congress. We love how Erin Marshall of Live Pretty on a Penny can fully transform any room on a limited budget. For her dining room, she set out to bring in a bit more brightness, and find a more reasonable seating solution for the tight space. After moving into her home, Susie Handgroff of the Worthing Court blog took on other projects before tackling this too formal space. Susie brought lots of cozy touches to her redesigned dining room, such as lightened-up walls and country-inspired furniture pieces. The new table and chairs were achieved using her original dining room set, illustrating just how much potential there is in reusing the items you already have on hand. The built-in bench was the jumping-off point for this pretty, budget-friendly DIY makeover, bringing in more seating without the need for more square feet. Erin followed it up with tasteful accents and a more contemporary look, all for less than $500. Cute pup just a bonus. Mindy Parisi of the blog Finding Silver Linings wasn't too fond of the bump out in her dining room, which offered more space without more functionality. If you can't get rid of it, may as well use it though, right? The solution to Mindy's dining room woes: farmhouse-style shelving that makes use of the bump out and brings more grandeur to the space. Her existing chandelier looks right at home in the updated room, which she finished up with a few charming pieces of decor for a space where every inch is now put to good use. The original dining room in the home of Carrie Ann Wood, who runs the decor blog Thistlewood Farms, was well-styled but basic, with too much of a rustic feel for Carrie Ann's taste. Carrie Ann used Naval, the 2020 Sherwin-Williams Color of the Year, to update her previously neutral walls, a bold change that gave the entire space a more contemporary look. And to keep costs down, she sold her existing dining room set to fund her new one, which includes that pretty $40 dining room table she found at a local thrift store. There was a lot that wasn't working in Nicole Svitkov's dining room. So Nicole, founder of the House Diaries, took on a major DIY project that involved reworking the entire original footprint of the space. Hard to believe it's the same room, right? This makeover involved moving around some walls and adding in another window, repurposed from Nicole's bedroom turned laundry room, for a result that raises the bar on what's possible with a little bit of creativity and a lot of hard work. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.